Hello, this is Dan Fashionbauer from Video Pizzazz. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain through NameCheap and then link that domain up with Convertri so that you can start using it with your custom funnels. All right, let's get started. All right, so go over to NameCheap, namecheap.com. Right here, search a domain, put in a domain that you want to purchase and see if it's available. So I'm going to paste in videoadscracked.com, click on search, and it says that is taken. I'm going to try YouTube Ads Cracked, click on search, and it comes right here, YouTube Ads Cracked.com. And that is available for $8.88 a year. All right, so then I'm going to sign into my account, then click on domains, domain name search, and since I know that that domain is available now, I can just paste that in there, YouTube Ads Cracked, click on search. I can click on add to cart. ICANN fee of 18 cents, so it brings it up to $9.06. Click on View Cart. I plan on using this domain for a while, more than a year, so I want to make sure that I don't lose it. So I'm going to turn the auto renew on. And you get WhoisGuard 1 year. It says free forever. Okay, not going to worry about any of these other things here right now. And I'll click on Confirm Order. And just make sure that your domain is spelt the way you want it to look. Make sure it's the right one. So in my case, it's YouTubeAdsCracked.com. And then scroll down and fill out your payment information and your contact information. And you can either click Pay Now here or Pay Now up here. So click on Pay Now. Okay, and it says that your purchase is complete. Gives you your order number. So right down here under domain registration, you'll see your new URL you just purchased. Come over and click on Manage next to that. And then scroll down until you find the URL that you just purchased. So it's YouTubeAdsCracked.com. It says it's active. So slide all the way over to the right and click on Manage again. Okay, so once you're logged into your Convertri back office, click on Account. And at this point here, you'll see Custom Domains 0. So I currently don't have any custom domains, but I'm going to add one in right now. So I'll click on Domains. So you're given 3 different options here. The one I want for a new custom domain is this one on the right hand side here. It says use Convertri with a new domain. Use Convertri to set up and manage your whole site at, and then it gives you an example of a domain name. Alright, so click on Add. Now this is very important here when you're entering in your domain name. Do not put HTTP or HTTPS or www. Don't put anything in front of your site. It's just your site name.com. So I'm going to put in YouTubeAdsCracked.com. Oh, and as you can see here, it says you can only use lowercase, so it doesn't like this. So we'll highlight this and we'll paste in all lowercase. YouTubeAdsCracked.com. So like that, and click on Add. So then Convertri provides us with 4 of their own name servers that we need to enter into our NameCheap account. So once we know what our 4 name servers are in Convertri, these guys here, then we can come back over to NameCheap. Just click on Domains tab scroll down here to where it says Name Servers. Use the pull down here and click on Custom DNS. And then you'll see here Name Server 1 and Name Server 2. By default, they only give you 2, but we need 4, so we're going to have to add Name Server 3 and add Name Server 4. Alright, so let's come back over to Convertri. Click inside Name Server 1, and it'll copy that. Come back over to NameCheap. Click here, Control V, and paste that in there. Come back over to Convertri, go to the second name server, click on that, it copies it. Come back over to NameCheap, click on the second server here and Control V. Go back over to Convertri, click on the third name server, it copies it. Come back over to NameCheap, Control V. Come back over to Convertri, click on the fourth name server, it copied it, come back over to NameCheap and click on Control V. Alright, so now we have our 4 custom name servers implemented in our NameCheap account. So that's it. Basically, you're done. So your name servers are now fully set up. However, it's going to take a little while for your Convertri to register the DNS change. This means that when you go back to Convertri, you'll probably see a warning symbol next to the records heading in the domain details. Alright, so if we go back to Convertri, you'll see right here it says YouTubeAdsCrack.com and it says records. So you'll see here this little warning indicator next to records. Don't panic, this is normal. DNS is a huge internet-wide system and it can take some time for the records to get updated. Needing to wait a couple hours is fairly common, so give it some time and come back later. When the DNS has updated, you're ready to proceed. You'll see the warning indicator has changed to a green tick mark. So instead of this indicator here, we need to have a green check mark before everything is working okay. Another thing you'll notice here is that Convertri automatically sets up a www redirect for your URL. So if you come down here and you'll look, you'll have a name called www, type is Convertri, and what that does is it actually does a redirect so that if somebody just happens to type in www.youtubeadscrack.com, it'll redirect them to the https://youtubeadscrack.com. So no matter if people type in http or https or www, they will all go to youtubeadscrack.com. That's what this line does for you right here. Alright, so I just refreshed this page here by clicking here to reload the page. Now I have the green check mark that says domain is successfully connected to Convertri name servers. Now in my case, this only took like 10 minutes. NameCheap is saying it could take up to 48 hours. It usually never takes that long. If it's taken that long, then something is probably wrong with your setup. So you need to probably recheck your name servers in NameCheap to make sure there was no misspelling. But anyway, we got a green check mark. That's a good sign. So another great feature of Convertri is they give you a free SSL account for your domain. So instead of having HTTP, you'll have an HTTPS for a secure domain name. So in order to set that up, just click on the back arrow here next to records and then come down and find your new URL right here, YouTubeAdsCrack.com, and you'll see that the padlock is unlocked right now because it's not SSL or HTTPS. So all you have to do is click on Enable SSL, and it says, are you sure you want to enable SSL for YouTubeAdsCrack.com? Click on OK. You can see it spinning here, working on it. Alright, so now you have a green padlock that's closed, active, and secure. And then you'll see that the redirect is working also. So if somebody types in www.youtubeadscrack.com, they automatically get redirected to http://YouTubeAdsCrack.com. So at this point, your domain has been set up with NameCheap and connected to Convertri. So now you're able to build funnels under the YouTube AdCracks account. So if you just click on YouTubeAdsCrack.com, and that is selected right here, now you could import a funnel, create a new funnel, or whatever you want to do now, and that will show up under YouTubeAdsCrack.com. So if we open up a new tab and we just go to YouTubeAdsCrack.com and click Turn, we'll get a Convertri 404 error. And the reason we know it's Convertri is because it has a little rabbit here. And this tells us two things. This 404 error tells us that our URL is connected to Convertri and working because we got this Convertri 404 error. So that's what we would expect to see. But the reason we're getting the 404 error is because currently we don't have any data for this URL. We haven't created any funnels or pages in Convertri and published them yet. Once you create a page or a funnel in Convertri and publish it, then this 404 error will go away and you'll see the page that you published. Alright, so that's how you would purchase a custom domain from NameCheap and connect it to Convertri. I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.